Today in the Quack Performance Shop, we're going to show you how to install your ultimate roof basket harness. We're going to start with our 4-pods, which is going to be our WH-A4, and then we're going to take a WH-BA for your harness. Let's jump up on the roof and I'll show you how to get this installed. Alrighty, so once you got your harness out of the bag, you'll notice here you have four male plugs, and if I can find it here, one female plug. On here, you're just going to lay out your harness, take your 4 side pods, plug them into your male connectors corresponding to each. Just take these, plug all of these in, and I will jump over on the other side and show you that side. Plugged up. And once you've got all of your pigtails plugged in, now we're going to go back over to the front here. We're going to locate a spot on this passenger side for your wiring to run down. Make sure that when you do this, there is a metal guard underneath there. You don't want to drill through that. So we'll just knock a hole through here real quick. Alrighty, and then this is where we're gonna grab our other harness. So in your pack, you're gonna have one male plug, which is going to go to your female that came on your harness. You're gonna plug that into there. This one is going to have a orange and black wire on it. And we're just simply going to run this down through the roof. All right, and then we'll go through to the front part. Alrighty, so now that you've got your wire through your roof, there is a channel right here in your cage. All you're gonna do is run your 2 wires through here, then tucked up so that they'll hide up under the roof lining, and then you will take these 2 wires and run them down through the channel of your cage, and these will feed out through the front. All right, now that you've ran your wire through your channel here, it'll come out over here. I'll have you come in and look at this real quick. So we'll go ahead and zoom in here. So you'll have 2 holes right here. One you can see right there. Oh, let me get the light back on there. So you can see I'm pulling my wire through here. If you'll come up under the light here for me, and you'll pull all of your slack through here. So just like that, you'll run your wire back through here, up under, and then there's a little tiny access hole back in here. You'll take your orange and black wire, run it through there. And if you come look on the side of the hood, right up here, you'll notice that nut back there. Yeah, see right back in there. Your wire will be fed through here. Alrighty, so once you've got your wire ran through that hole there, you'll pull your wire through here. On your kit, it will come with a relay here. You're gonna have 3 sections. You're going to have a black and red, which will be for your power source. You will have a green wire. This will be your keyed power that'll access for the switch. And then on your relay, you're going to have a black and orange wire, which will be corresponding for your black and orange coming from the roof. I'm going to snip these back real quick and get them connected. All right, once you've got your butt connectors on there heated up and shrunk, we're just gonna go ahead and put some tape on here just to clean it up, get it all nice and neat. Any tape will do, really. This is just what we have here at the shop. All right, and then your negative from your relay will just go straight to the negative post here, just to ground everything out. And we're going to take that positive off of here, positive down, Make sure you get all that nice and tight. You don't want any loose connections. And now we're on to our green wire. Alrighty, so here on the Can-Ams, on these here, you have accessory wiring. This here will feed through to the switch side behind your dash. So on here, we're just gonna check one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and do this white with the black stripe. For that, we're just gonna take this wire. In your bag, you will have one of these male connectors that will feed into here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this, we're gonna run it back up under here, and we're gonna cut it back to where we can get it connected. All right, now that we've cut our wire down so that it'll feed into there, we don't need any excess wiring or anything like that. You just go ahead and strip that back, put your piece on here, crimp it down, and then heat that up. Select your wire that you wanted to go through and plug her in. We'll come back up here, get it all tidy, zip ties, stuff like that. Behind the dash panel on this, we're gonna take our side lights, seeing as we're working on our 4-pods. You can just run this through here. Go ahead and get that connected in there. There's gonna be a loom of wire over here. It'll be where you locate your white with the black stripe. So as we did with the green wire under the dash, we're gonna take our green wire off the back of the switches here, run it over, and you're gonna take your connector and plug her in. Once you've done that, you now have a direct line between your switch and your lights under your dash. So now that we are done with that, you're gonna have a red and yellow and a black. Your black will feed over to your ground. On these Can-Ams, this is the keyed power source. So for that, we are just gonna take our red and yellow and hook her up to the positive on this.